Hello, in this video we'll talk about how to check the biggest file in your Hotmail OneDrive. So after you log into Hotmail, you can go to the OneDrive. Then from here, you'll see all the list of your OneDrive. To find the biggest one, you just go to here. You can see the storage management. Click that. Then you will see the OneDrive option here. Click that. See, it said largest file in your OneDrive. So the first one is the largest one, and the second one is the second large one. And you can delete some of the files that you don't need. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.